Hi, I'm Lisa Kohl with Boise Real Estate, here to share with you our top 5 real estate predictions for 2018. First up is inventory will likely remain in short supply. The housing inventory in the Boise metro area has been on a decline for 38 months in a row, or a little over 3 years. While this trend won't continue indefinitely, it will take a lot of new inventory before we see a balanced real estate market. There's been a lot of chatter lately about potential home sellers holding out, and the reality is that there just isn't that much hidden inventory. We've seen a long-term trend of people staying in their homes longer, about 8 years, and choosing to remodel rather than to sell. If you love where you live, why move? Starter homes will continue to be in short supply. The key to purchasing a home right now is to know exactly what you want and be prepared to make a quick decision. Lines for showings and bidding wars for the most desirable properties is pretty common, and presenting a clean offer is key. Number 2 is new construction. It will increase a little. In Ada and Canyon counties, we are on track to complete 3,760 new construction houses, compared to the 3,415 that were built in 2016. In 2018, the number will increase further, although higher land prices, labor shortages, and to a smaller degree, raw material costs will prevent any significant increase in local construction. Number 3, tax reform. There are 2 significant changes currently being proposed that would impact the real estate market. The first would limit mortgage interest rate deduction to $500,000 versus the current $1 million limit. The other would limit the ability to deduct state and local property taxes from federal returns. Locally, the direct impact would be relatively small, about 4 to 6% of our real estate purchases. Idaho property tax rates are 36.5 below the national average. A tax increase on higher price states with lower affordability would make the Boise real estate market look even more appealing. Number 4, low-cost areas will continue to see the highest appreciation. This year, we saw the highest appreciation in the lowest-priced single-family home markets. In 2018, that trend will continue. First-time homebuyers are moving where budgets will go the furthest and the selection is the greatest. And last but not least, interest rates capping off our number 5. For the last 2 years, there have been predictions of mortgage rates heading higher. It remains to be seen if that will happen this year, but it will happen at some point. Right now, the average rent in Boise is just under $1,300 a month for a single-family house, which is higher than the typical mortgage payment. With low mortgage rates, choosing to buy a home instead of renting makes sense for most people. For a complete write-up of the local Boise real estate market, please visit us at weknowboise.com. Thanks for joining me.